Okay, you have to listen very carefully to follow my procedure and steps. And this is your page, your CorelDRAW page. Anything you'll be designing will be inside of this page. Are you understanding me? Okay, so first of all, you double click on this block. Why do I double click on this block? I double click on it so you can fit in the page. You don't want to start selecting block and be drawing block here. Because if you draw it, it may not fit in. Like here, doesn't fit in. Like edges, it doesn't fit in. But when you double click on this block, it will just automatically fit in on this page properly well. Now this is the first stage. Now I come here now, I just draw this thing down. Do you know how I duplicate it? I drew it down. When I want to leave it, I right click so it will duplicate. So that's what I did now. So I click on this first one. Let's click on it. Convert to curve. Convert to what? Curve. Now you go to this shape tool. I've explained to you guys what shape tool is all about. You go to my YouTube channel, you see how I explain everything about shape tool. For those that are following me, you just go there and see it. Now select this shape tool. Let's click again, click on to curve, and now double click. Now this shape now form. I'll now drag it down. I'll duplicate it just like we used to do. Give this some magenta color, and click on this one, code on the color. So multiple option will come out. You click on the darker one. Let's click now. This is what you have. Now I want to duplicate it up. I like this. You can group it if you want. You can group it, but I don't want to group it yet. I just want to. Now put Ctrl key, come in. Put Ctrl and drag it up. You see the shape, the slight shape of just a pen. Let's click on it, duplicate it. And click on this middle. And click on group now. This thing as group is to merge two things together. Now click on this whole sheet. Select the box. Press T. Just T. This is what you have. Now let me develop the background. From here, give it a milk color. Slight milk color. Let's click here to empty the outline. These outlines. I don't want to be seeing these outlines. Work on professional. Now let's click here to remove that outline. See? Now click here, go sheets, drag it down. Let's click. Click this on vertical. Vertical. Now, what we do now is drag it again for the middle. Let's click. You can give it any color of your choice. Yeah, I want to give that color now. I just want to make use of this shape. So click here, drag, or you can come here and put the number you want. 0.0.8. Press enter key. But before you do that, you have to lock. Click here, lock. Sorry, unlock it. 0.8. I come this on 0.8. See, this space is for this edge. Here, up here is for this space. And click 2. Click on this. Okay, click on this one. This one is not good. Click on this one. Let's click and hold. drag it inside this shape and click on copy here. This one will not happen. Maybe copy a little bit. Don't go down. About 2 bits. And give it what color. And give it what color. Or you can now pick any image of your choice. For instance, I pick this image. And now I'll click it inside the container by dragging just like the way you did on the color file. Click inside. Click control and you hit click. And you did place it here. The way you want it to be. Click control and click on this place to finish. Or you can click here, edit content, edit part clip. You enter inside it and place it the way you want it to be. And come here, click on stop editing. This is what you have. This is exactly what you have. I hope you guys understand this. It's very simple and easy. It's very simple and easy. I believe you can follow my procedure, the steps, and achieve your goal. Thank you so much and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.